Today I'm going to share you a very exciting news about your VPN connectivity. Now you can secure your internet shopping with a Orca VPN connectivity with the less amount of money, and we have also a special offer and a generous discount using a unique coupon code FireShark. Let's explore how to redeem this code. Okay, so just go back to Play Store and uh, type Orca VPN. Okay, and install it. Okay, I have already installed it, so just you have to install it. Click on that install button and it will be installed, and then open it. You have to just click on the next, get started, and I'm going to sign. If you have a mail with Google and Facebook and other mail ID, you can use any mail ID for sign up. I'm going to use Google account. After the mail verification, look, this is the subscription plan, and this is the monthly plan for $4.99, which is maximum $5, and this is yearly $4.17, and 2 year is $3.75. So I'm going to use my coupon code F, capital F IRESHARK, FireShark. Enter. Now you can see the clear difference about the previous amount and the current amount. Now it's get $2 monthly and $1.66 yearly and $1.50 in 2 years. So you can use this coupon code and secure your internet by this VPN connectivity. So I'm going to tell you about some benefits of this VPN. Okay, so this is the website of main OrcaVPN, and here is the some feature of this. Look, this is the comparison. Okay, yeah, this is the comparison to the another VPN like NordVPN and some another VPN connectivity. So it has 30-day trial and no upfront fee, phone support, easy to use, identity protection, and real time alerts within this amount. Like look at the amount of other another VPN connectivity and this VPN. With low cost, you can activate more features. Okay, so yeah, it is for all the devices. Like every device always protect, like you have, look, this iOS and Android, every device you can, and you can choose your plan accordingly, your preference, and use it. Okay, so I'm going to some benefits about that. So basically, if you use the VPN, it hides your online activities by encrypting your data. Through the encryption, it's hard to like for others to see what are you doing on your internet. Through the VPN connectivity, you can also bypass a geo restriction. Geo restriction in the sense, it's like pretending your internet connection is on the vacation in another country. Like suppose, for example, you want to watch a movie and it's only available in a specific country, or maybe it's banned in your country, but you want to watch it through the VPN. It can be possible that you can watch the banned things in your country also. Okay, if you use VPN, you can access those things. You can also browse the internet more anonymously, like no one knows what are you doing on your internet. Okay, by masking your IP address, they make it difficult for a website to track your location and gather information about you. Like some websites are use the tracking devices, but after using the VPN, no one is going to track you, and what are you going to do on internet? No one will be tracked. Okay, so yeah, that's it. After using the VPN, you are secure on the internet. So use this VPN solution in very cheap price. Okay, thank you. That's it.